Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're giving first impressions look round of this Honda Civic EP2 that I've just acquired for the princely sum of £250. MOT runs out on it tomorrow, so we've got to get that sorted, so I'm not expecting it's going to be perfect, but let's just take a look and see what we've got. And the first thing that definitely stands out is the headlights. They definitely look like they've been replaced at some point, because those are a nice shiny headlights, and at this age they don't normally look like that. There's a bit of rust on the leading edge of the bonnet there, looks like a stone chip that's gone bad. Quite a few dents in the plastic bumper. So yeah, not too bad. Alloy wheels. We've got a Bridgestone tyre on the front. That looks quite good. Front brake discs don't look too bad either. Got fairly straight down the near side. Michelin tyre on the back. And some looks a reasonable tread on that. That's got some damage to the sill there. That looks like it's been repaired in the past. That might need some attention for the MOT. A few scuffs in the paintwork. Little ding in it there. Wheel arches don't look too bad. Yeah, not too much rust in the arches, so that's good. Lacquer peel on the rear spoiler there. Scuff on the back bumper there. Various scuffs on the back bumper. And this side, the back bumper's out of line this side. So it's had a little knock there. Let's just take a look. 1.6 petrol. Usually pretty bulletproof, the engines on these. Spare wheel and jack, that's all there. Can't see any leaks, so it looks nice and dry, which is a good sign. Let's just take a look there. Got another Michelin tyre there. Again, alloy wheel. Tyre looks quite good tread. Again, wheel arches. Doesn't seem to be any rust. And this side we've got it looks like a Bridgestone, that one. Again, that looks a bit worn on the edge, that one. Not too bad. Again, no rust in the arches, so that's good. Overall, first impressions for a 23-year-old Civic, that's not in too bad a shape. So let's just take a look inside. We've got half leather seats. Got some wear on the bolster. Looks like that might have been repaired. Nice patina on the seats there. Leather steering wheel. It's quite a high spec. It's a Sport SE, I think they call it. So it's quite a good spec car. Electric windows, central locking, electric and heated door mirrors. Just comes with the one key. Got your fuel release there, bonnet release there. Let's just take a look under the bonnet. So there we go, under the bonnet. British built, this one. From the days when Honda used to build cars in the UK. I think so, it's the EP2 version. Bit of an oil leak, looks like possibly around the top of the engine there. To be expected with the mileage. Pretty indestructible, these VTEC engines, as long as you keep them well oiled. Battery looks to have been replaced at some point. I'll say all good Looks quite solid around the top there. Can't see any signs of rust there. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. So let's get back to taking a look inside the car. So here we are inside the car. Let's just have a look at the mileage. 182,000 miles, so it's good mileage, that one. It's had a good life. All the warning lights disappear, so that's a good sign. We've actually got air conditioning here as well. That does appear to be working. I can hear that kicking in. We've got some cold air blowing, so that's good. We've got radio CD. That seems to be working okay. That'll be a 5-speed gearbox, manual gearbox. Also got a locking wheel nut tool hiding in there, which we need. We're going to have to get the wheels off, we'll need that. Conventional handbrake. Heated front seats as well. I've tried those as well, those do appear to be working. And also we've got this slide back tilt and slide sunroof, and again that all appears to be working. And just press the button there for upward tilt. So yeah, that seems to be working as well. Yeah, we've definitely got some aircon working there, so that's obviously been looked after, so that's quite good for the age of the car. And the interior, it looks like it's had a life, but it's not too bad. A few scuffs and scrapes on the inside, but yeah, considering age and mileage, that's not too bad at all. So got a book pack here with the car, the radio code there as well, that'll be useful, and some paperwork there in the book pack. I've also got the service book here. It's a bit random, so it's just got a few services in there from earlier on, up to 05, Honda 08, Honda saw it again 2011, and then it's been to a couple of independent garages, 17 and up to 19, 132,000. So not a full history by any stretch, but at least it gives us something to refer to later on. So there we go. That's my £250 Honda Civic. Gonna have to put that through an MOT and see what comes back. It'll be interesting to see what it needs, and we can have a little drive in it as well, see how it runs. So keep watching, keep subscribed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.